Everyone thinks the best-selling sediment filter for well water is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Simpure DB10C. First up is the Simpure Whole House Water Big Filter Housing, the DB10C model. Priced at $59.99, this filter immediately caught my eye because it boasts a bestseller badge with over 2,900 reviews. If you want a solid, reliable filtration system for your entire home, this is worth a serious look. The clear housing is a game changer, allowing you to easily see when it's time for a filter change. Plus, the double O-ring design and brass ports help prevent leaks, something many other filters struggle with. You'll appreciate the easy installation too, as it comes with everything you need. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your well water is full of sediment, this filter can handle it without any issues. It fits standard 4.5x10 filter cartridges, so you have flexibility in choosing your specific filtration needs. Now, some people complained about the size of this filter being too large for some setups. Here's the thing though, if you have the space, this filter is definitely worth it for the peace of mind it brings. This is perfect for you if you want a whole house solution that you can rely on for years. Skip this one if you have very tight spaces for installation. For the price, it's a fantastic investment. Now, if the size of the DB10C bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Simpure DB10P. Next up is another Simpure product, the DB10P, which is priced at $49.99. This filter also holds a 4.4-star rating and is popular for good reason. If you're looking for a compact sediment filter that still offers solid performance, this one deserves your attention. It's designed for pre-filtration, which means it can handle sediment before it reaches your main filtration system. The 1-inch NPT brass port ensures a secure fit and minimizes leaks, which is crucial for long-term reliability. Here's why this matters for you. If your well water has a lot of sediment, having this pre-filter can save your main filters from clogging up too quickly, prolonging their life. It's simple to install and comes with all the necessary components. Now, some users reported issues with leaks if not installed correctly. Here's my perspective. If you're careful during installation and follow the instructions, you shouldn't face this issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and more affordable sediment filter option. Skip this one if you need a filter that can handle larger capacities. For the price, it's a solid choice for your filtration needs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for families with higher water usage. Product number 3, iSpring WGB21B. The iSpring WGB21B is next, priced at $140.37, and honestly, this one genuinely surprised me. With a 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,900 reviews, it stands out for families needing more extensive filtration. The first stage captures dirt and rust with a 5-micron polypropylene filter, while the second stage uses a carbon filter that removes over 90% of chlorine. Here's why this matters. You get not just clean water, but also water that tastes great. The system can handle up to 50,000 gallons, making it a great long-term investment for larger families. Installation is straightforward, and you can do it yourself without needing professional help. Now, some users found that the filter change can be a little messy. Here's the thing though, it's a small price to pay for the quality of water you'll get. This is perfect for you if you have a larger household and want a well-rounded filtration system. Skip this if you're looking for something more compact or budget-friendly. It's worth the investment for the peace of mind you get. Now, if you're still considering a more straightforward solution, the next product may just fit your needs perfectly. Product number 4, WaterDrop Spin Down. Next is the WaterDrop Spin Down sediment filter, priced at $56.99. This one caught my attention for its unique backwash feature. If you want a filter that requires minimal maintenance, this is definitely worth a look. The Spin Down filter uses a 50-micron filter to trap impurities while allowing for easy cleaning. Just turn on the backwash function to flush out debris and you're good to go. This is a big deal if you don't want to constantly replace filters. Plus, its BPA-free material ensures safe water for your family. Here's why it matters. If you have well water, you know how important it is to maintain the cleanliness of your water supply. This filter is designed to do just that with minimal hassle. Now, some reviews mention that it may not catch the smallest particles. Here's my take: if your water is heavily sedimented, you might want to consider pairing it with a finer filter for comprehensive protection. This is perfect for you if you prefer low-maintenance solutions. Skip this one if you need a filter that captures the tiniest particles. For the price, it delivers great features for well water filtration. Alright, that was an interesting choice. But the final product on our list is a fantastic budget-friendly option that many people love. Product number 5, AquaBoon Sediment Filter. Finally, we have the AquaBoon 5-micron sediment filter, a pack of 6 for just $23.79. Honestly, I was impressed by the number of positive reviews, over 5,400. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-replace sediment filter, this is a fantastic budget option. This filter captures contaminants like rust, sand, and dirt effectively with its 5-micron design. What's great is that it's designed for easy installation. It fits most standard filter housings, so you won't spend hours trying to make it work. Here's why this matters. If you use well water, having a good sediment filter is essential for protecting your plumbing and appliances from buildup. Now, some users have noted that it may need to be replaced more frequently than other options. Here's the deal: it's a trade-off for having a more affordable option, but it's still effective for most households. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for sediment filtration. Skip this if you prefer high-capacity filters that last longer. For the price, it's an excellent value for the quality it provides. To wrap it all up, we've covered the Simpure DB10C, Simpure DB10P, iSpring WGB21B water drop spin down, and AquaBoon sediment filter. Each of these options addresses sediment issues in different ways, so it really depends on your specific needs. Whether you want something compact, low maintenance, or budget-friendly, there's a sediment filter here for you. Choose wisely.